Okay, after you receive, I will send you this EV radio file. You load into your radio and binding with the receiver at the rear side and put the battery. Then you start operating. So hydraulic oil, it's fill up from here. That's the oil tank. Side door, left and right can open. Put it back. Start light SWF, warning light SWH, sound SWE. Start. So left track VRD, right VRE, forward, backward, spinning. Stereo fire, lifting, pull down. This one, pull down, lifting, turning for tilting, VRF, okay, put flat, right, VRG, turning angle, left and right. All mix control with the engine sound, and mix control the pump. Also, if you like, you can start the pump directly at idle speed for more power. More power, So idle speed, rear side, lifting, forward lifting. General look. And also stop the pump, you can run it or mix control also fine, Okay, that's all the control. Thank you.